What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Mo back at it again with another video. Today we are chilling. Today I got some good news, man, with the 350z. Let's walk our ass to the Tegra right now. All right, it's time to get in this car, man. This car been rolling on. Holding on. The key in here, twist that way. We're gonna get in the car right now. What's good, YouTube? This your boy Richie Mo back at it again with another video. Had to do it better this time on the intro, but I want to give a special shout out to every one of you guys right now for watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. And before we go any further, you check this merch out right here. Oh my god, this shit go crazy, man. Shout out to the homie Dream SI. You know who you are, bro. Good supporter, good supporter. He came out with his own merchandise. He came out with his own line. You see me rocking it. You know what I'm saying? This is called Tuner Drip. That's the name of his thing. Make sure you guys go down below this video and go check his website out, man. He got a lot of dope ass merch. He come with the white colorway, come with the black colorway, dope hoodies and everything, t-shirts. So I'm fucking with it, man. I actually like it. I've been wearing this shit for like 3 days in a row. It's super sick. If you guys do me a favor, just make sure you guys go show him support and go copy you some merch. This shit look nice and it fits perfectly. And it's black, and I can wear this with anything. So thank you, bro. I appreciate it. And also, if any one of you guys want to send me some of your clothing, like you guys got a brand coming on, and you want me to rock it out and give you a shout out like I did with my homie, man, on Instagram and everything, make sure you guys hit me up and send me some merch. And if you send me some merch, I definitely will rock it in the videos, man. But we got some shit to talk about the 350z. So we do have great news, you guys. We have a lot of great news, man. So we've been working on the 350z for the last however days, 4 to 5 days. It's been parked at Mike's house. Shout out to High Rev Garage. Make sure you guys go subscribe to him. Look down below in the description and you guys will find the link. Make sure you guys go get him a subscribe, man. Shout out to the homie Mike. Mike always comes through for me. That's my brother for another, you know what I'm saying? But also, if you guys hear a little rattle noise in the back, the AC fucking blew in my car. So I got to get that taken care of too. Probably do it sometime this week or next weekend. But anyways, we're back in business. So the cool thing is with the 350z, yeah, the 350z has been getting worked on. I've been putting a lot of money into parts, as you guys seen so far. The car's been parked at Mike's house. Mike has just been doing his thing. Finally, yesterday Mike hit me up at like at nighttime, whatever, and he finally got the car to work. It comes on and it's working, so I'm excited for that. And yeah, so I don't have to worry about my car not starting or turning on and then cutting off. Oh, GTR. Oh, GTR right there. Holy shit. Right-hand drive GTR. But like I was saying, y'all, so Mike finally got the car to work. I'm excited. I'm stoked. I'm happy. I mean, that's a blessing. That is really a blessing. I'm happy to know that my car is working. He told me he wanted me to test drive it. And the only reason why I haven't went to go pick it up right now because we're still waiting for the whole new set of the relays that we did order. It should be here Monday, no later. And also, I got big news. I got some fucking big news. I have great news. That was my little brother. Now, for a lot of y'all that's been watching the channel, man, you guys already know. I told you guys with the AAA towing my car to Mike's house, it fucked up. I mean, it messed up the radiator to my car. So my radiator is cracked. It has a small leak and it's just dripping a lot of coolant, a lot of fluid. So yeah, so that was a bummer. I really didn't want to do that. But I said, you know what? I have to get the best of the best of the best radiator for a 350z. And I really honestly didn't want to spend that much money. I really didn't want to do that, man. But I had to. I had to do it. And guess what, y'all? I just fucking bought me a radiator right now. So that will be coming very soon. That should be either here Monday or Tuesday because the place that I ordered from is literally 25 minutes away from my house. But the thing is, they don't do local pickups. If that was the case, I would have went and go pick it up, but I can't go pick it up. So the cool thing is that it will be at my house Tuesday or Wednesday, no later. And we will have the radiator and the car will be running. And like I said, Monday The relay will be here. We can replace all the relays just to be on the safe side. Mike got the car running right now, so that is a blessing. And we back in the door. And yeah, so if you guys want to know what brand I'm getting, you guys probably seen it already on the title, but we are getting MISHIMOTO's for the 350Z. I'm excited. This is about to be game changer. We literally rebuilt this goddamn engine so far. Like, we took a lot of parts off the car and we had to replace them. At some point, sometime, it was bound to happen. And yeah, so right now, my whole goal is just to get shit running, get it smooth, and then probably eventually later down the line, do that engine swamp, and let's get that twin turbo going on with the 350Z. So, but right now, as of right now, money is tight, so I just gotta repair whatever I can do to get my car running. And now we're about to have some new MISHIMOTOs. I'm happy we're about to have the MISHIMOTO, and I was looking at it already, and Mike told me that's the best one to get for our car, because we want to do what's best. We don't want to do what's cheaply done for the car. Everything I've done to my car on my 350Z have never been cheap. We are actually putting in the good stuff in my shit because I want it to run. And then also, once the COVID shit opens up or loosens up, I want to take the car to the track and actually do some track racing. And I have GoPros and all that stuff to actually do it. And you know, that'd be fun for me to give you guys a good look at my car and see how I'm running. But that's the cool thing. I did want to let you guys know that we do got a radiator on its way, baby. I just did the order today. It cost almost like 300 bucks, but it's cool. It's cool. I didn't want to spend it, but we have to do what we got to do to get our car running, and I'm excited for that. So yeah, other than that, we are all good. The car is coming along good. It's at Mike's house. Mike sent me some videos of yesterday, last night, showing me that the car is running, have not cut off, which is a blessing. So we on our way to get my 350Z. I miss driving that car so much. I've been driving my Teggy. I like my Teggy and shit, don't get me wrong, but it ain't a 350Z. The 350Z is my everything, man. I miss it. I miss driving that car. That car was such a great car, man, but now it's gonna perform even better. It's gonna be way better. So I'm happy. I'm really happy about this, man. Really happy about this. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this whole little process. And it's been kind of crazy. It's been hard for me to get videos out every single day. It's just a lot going on with life. And I haven't been pumping as many videos like I consistently do. Like, usually I pump a video every single day. But it's just been very difficult with a lot of this stuff going on. Money getting short. You know, so, you know, I'm doing the best I can being a young entrepreneur and just doing the best I can do, you know what I'm saying, without having a job and just relying on my sources of income, which is my company and doing the YouTube thing. But I do appreciate all you guys supporting me, rocking with me, holding me down, man, and never giving up on me, man. Thank you guys so much for all that, man, and staying strong with me, man, through these hard times, man. It is very difficult. It is a hard time for me, man, but like I said, man, we're gonna bounce back, you know. And sometimes, man, it's just material shit, even though sometimes it's like, nah, I ain't know the material shit because it's my car. But it is what it is, man. Sometimes shit just happens, and you know, at the end of the day, even when shit happens, it's just more content for me to pump out for you guys to watch and not be so damn bored, you know what I'm saying? But I do want to end it right here. I'm about to grab me something to drink from McDonald's and call it a day. So the car is coming along, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm about to get back on the grizzy with doing what I need to do, pumping out videos every day. Also, like I say every time, make sure you guys go check out the website down below. Go check out my website, man. We got some new car parts for the cars. So yeah, we out.